All right. This is a tutorial on how to apply vinyl lettering to a substrate or a surface using the hinge method. First, take some masking tape and put some little strips of tape on each end of the material. Then you can, using a tape measure, center and align your lettering using a straight edge of your substrate or something straight along the side. We're going to put these to 14 inches to the bottom of the letter. We measure down and we get it 14. That'll get it nice and level. Sidewise, we got, well, that's about 11 1/4. And that's about 11 1/2. If we need to move it a little bit over, you can, if you want to get that picky with it. We can split that difference to 11 3/8. And that gets it in the center of your sign. Double check your measurement, make it 14 inches to the bottom of the flat letters, or you can do 14 inches to the bottom of 2 curved letters, whichever is you have available. Like so. Now, that is centered. Then, you take your transfer tape, roughly in the center of the lettering, and put a strip of tape vertically, taping it like so. Then you will need a squeegee and a pair of scissors. What we're going to do is remove the tape from the right side. Just discard that. Fold up like so. Peel the backing paper away like so. And with your scissors, cut the backing paper and just let it fall away. You can pick that up later. Then take your squeegee. See, we've made a nice hinge here. You take your squeegee, bring your lettering like so, and start kind of up and down like so, or you can just do flat, smooth, depending on the length. But you can squeegee that down like so. Then remove your hinge of tape, your tape strip. Remove this end over here, that piece of tape. Bring it back. Now, you can leave this on if you want to give you something to hold on to. Or you can just go ahead and remove it completely and get rid of it. Give it another good once over. Then, get a corner of your transfer tape, peel it back right up on itself. Just leave it flat and let it have a nice sharp edge right here. And peel away slowly, making sure that, you know, that little corner might want to come up. It didn't get squeegeed down enough. So you want to go nice and slow where you can stop. And if you need to, you can fix little ticks like that. But and there you have it. If you do get any bubbles, and I do see some bubbles right here, you can take an X-Acto knife or a needle or whatever, and you can, you see a little bubble, you can prick it and just work that bubble out with your finger. Like so. Easy peasy.